How to remove password from Windows 11. So if you want to remove password from your Windows 11, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your settings, right click on your Windows and open up your settings. Once you open up your settings application, now you just need to simply go with the accounts section, which is on the left side. And here you need to go with sign in options. Under sign in options, you can go with your password, PIN, anything that you've set up. So I'll be choosing PIN. Now you just need to simply go with change PIN, which is on the right side. So enter your current PIN, and on the new PIN, you just need to simply leave it blank as it is, and then go with OK. And after that, your password will be removed. Or here you will have remove the sign in option. You just need to simply go with remove, which is on the right side, and you can remove it. But if that doesn't work for you, then there is a second option, which is you just need to simply press Control, Alt, and Delete. And after that, it will take you to an interface where you will have lock, switch user, sign out, change a password, or task manager. You just need to simply go with task manager, but make sure to press Control, Alt, and Delete at the same time. And once you go with change a password, then from there you'll be able to remove your password. So that's how you can remove your password from Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.